Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right. So hopefully my sound is okay right now. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Okay, I forgot to turn on my mic lah. Okay. So again, just okay, I redo this again. All right. So first of all, thank you for joining me. Thank you, Rostan. Thank you, Ruku, for highlighting this to me. First of all, a quick disclaimer. Just wanted to share with you this video here or this section over here. Right. I'm not doing any buy and sell call. So if you want to trade any stock based on our discussion here today, make sure your own trading plan. Or at least get advice from professional. Okay, morning, Roslan. Morning, Roslan. So once again, thank you, for highlight this to me. So like I say, just now I'm talking about just actually share about SNR support resistance. So again, for me, support resistance is extremely important. Now I know that we have been in the bullish market since I think mid of April. If you look into KLCI, until recently it looks like sideways or heading to the 20 MAs already. Even though it's a bull market, but do expect a pullback, okay, or do expect a shakeout. Okay, so this is normal. I mean, if you're in stock market normal, you can expect the stock go up 45 degree in a straight line. I hope it can do that, but unfortunately, it's not. So this kind of market is expected. Okay, and I think overall is showing there's still healthiness in the market. So for those that who are looking short-term trading, especially those doing intraday one or maybe contra one, it's actually important to look into this. Okay. Now, first of all, SNR. Okay, support resistance. Okay, so like I say, I always don't like to buy near resistance. Very simple. Okay, because my risk to reward ratio is not that good. Okay. Now, if you still remember, like I think like last week, I can recall. I think last week. Okay, we talked about TSA. To be frank with you, I like TSA a lot. Okay, because they are building a nice so-called accumulation support with strength. And the other day, it come with a volume with up bump. Okay, but unfortunately, the next morning they continue to goes up. Okay, and my risk that I'm involved is higher. Okay, and I know the markets has been hot for a month already, so I need to be careful. So yeah, these are a few things that actually help me to avoid it. To go for this kind of trade, I think today gap down further. So again, it's time for you to look into your, whether you should lock your profit or not. Okay. Rosan said my AA share MSM profit reducing. Normal lah. This kind of market is like that. Even my profit is reducing as well. But for me, is that now my objective is that trying to exit some trades, hit stop loss. I have to take it ready, move to the others. Okay, and or keep first. And I wait for probably 1 or 2 weeks from now. Now, just want to share with you RG tag. If let's say anyone here follow my trade RG tag, for your info, just now I cut loss already. Okay, I always don't really like gap down, even though I think this one's still a chance. But normally, if let's say I got gap down in between, it's probably going to take some time. And this one also break my R2 lah. Okay, sorry, my S2. This is my S1. Okay, break my S1 and straight away break to R2. Sorry, S2. Okay, support 2. Okay, so yes, don't really like that anymore. But luckily, my entry is still okay. I think I entered somewhere around here. Okay, 36. So today cut loss at 33. Okay, so it's not that bad. Okay, still manageable. Okay, still manageable. So hopefully my upcoming trades are able to cover these losses. Okay, so make sure, like I say, if you're in certain trades, watch out your support. Okay, I'm not sure what trade you are in. Okay, I think in the groups there someone asked me about SNS. Whether should you cut or not? Okay, Sendai, whether should you cut or not? Okay, I cannot answer you that because first of all, I think the trend is still good. Okay, I mean today is down lah. Today is down. It's normal lah, right? So again, if you enter this kind of trades, right? If you enter, I think just now yesterday, someone in the group mentioned they enter around 655. Okay. Now again, you are enter 655. Okay, you are entering at the close of the resistance. Okay, based on daily chart. All right. So when market pull back, so you should expect them to pull back to 20 MA. Okay. Again, this is a normal thing. Okay, so maybe here lah. I'm not sure lah. Maybe it will join here. Okay, 60 cents or 50 over cents. Okay, 50 over cents or somewhere around here. Okay, so it happens. So from here sideways 1 or 2 months, then it join again. Okay, it's jalan again. Okay, yeah, JSM, I will comment that. Okay, let me just write down first. Okay, just want to go through some stocks. Just want to go through some stocks first. Okay, so again, if you ask me right now, you should exit or not, you should buy or not. To be frank, I don't know how to answer because if you look into this chart SNS, I think the trend is still good. Okay, if you're looking for long term. right? But if you say that, Zach, I cannot tahan 5% losses, I tak boleh tahan already 10% losses, I tak boleh tahan already, then this trade is not for you. Okay, this trade is not for you because it might drop till here, sideways, jalan. Okay, sideways. Yeah, I know Kobe is moving up lah. Okay, Kobe is the one that I actually wanted to enter. Okay, but today move up already. Very, I mean, it's very special for today. Mostly down, it ups. Okay, I will definitely look into that. Okay, now for example, like cow point. Okay, cow point also, I think we enter somewhere around here when the pullback is completed. Okay, shoot up. Okay, like I said, I already locked some partial profit. I think somewhere around here lah. Okay, after here rejected drop. Okay, and now this few days drop. Okay, so well, if let's say volume remains to be low and it's still above my support, then I will still hold. Okay, if let's say break. Okay, I will cut everything. I'll exit everything. Okay, and it's still fine for me because I first profit already locked already. Okay, so the next one, if let's say break even or maybe small losses, sorry, small profit, I think it's still fine for me. Okay, so yeah, that's how I'm going to deal with cow point. The other one is HE group. Okay, the other one is that I kind of worry is EMCC lah. Looks like not that performing, so I might exit risk this round, take my cash and I aim for others. Okay, now HE group, like I say, I exit 33 already. Okay, the other day when they shoot up. Okay, luckily I exited. Now market turned bearish already. Okay, sorry, turn pullback already. Okay, so I need to wait. But so far I don't see any major weakness. Okay, again I expect them to retest again 20 MA, 55 cents area. All right, the next bull run probably it will cross. Okay, this 33 cents area. All right, so that's for HE group. Okay, let's do the EMCC. EMCC, like I said, slightly a bit disappointing overall. Yeah, I'm not sure. I think I entered 48 cents. Okay, now losses, okay, small losses. So while probably I will also consider to exit this, keep some cash for others. Okay, but I will check until the end of the day. So Upstar is the other one that I think still offers some opportunity. Okay, hopefully. But I'm not sure what's going on today. Today low volume I think is still fine, but now it's only the first trading hour. Hopefully volume remains to be low. This one is still reversal. Okay, yesterday it dropped. Okay, give me a little bit of heart attack as well, but it closed up with a hammer. Okay, now it's very important right now. The pullback patterns. If you're looking for pullback patterns, there are 4 things that you have to watch out. Okay, now is a good time to look for it. Okay, it's a good time to look for it. Okay, now first, just go back to my Telegram posting. Now first, we want to see a widespread candle. I put it short form widespread candle. Okay, widespread candle with high volume. I put it HV. Okay, now second sign. Okay, you want to see a narrow bar, down bar of course. Okay, narrow bar. Okay, low volume, I put LV. Okay, low volume. Okay, now there's still above support. Okay, above support, or maybe use the 20 MA moving average. Okay, above support. Okay, now last one. Okay, last one right here. Okay, best is that they have a hammer, if any. Okay, hammer. Okay, so for example over here, if you look into Upstar, right, with a widespread candle high volume. Okay, first point, drop. Okay, low volume. Okay, mostly it's narrow bar. Okay, and then we got hammer at 20 MA, 0.3 and 0.4. Okay, so this is some of the things that moving forward I will look into. Like for example, Zantat. Okay, I missed that. Okay, I exited too early already before the breakout. So I'm actually also looking similar. Okay, similar so-called reaction. Okay, so it breaks already here. Probably I'm gonna wait for, I'm not sure, until Friday or next Monday. Okay, for them to see whether it can retest here or not. Hopefully here got a hammer. Okay, then here I will look for my chance. Okay, for entry opportunity. Okay, so Zantat, MTech also. Unfortunately, last round I didn't manage to enter. I go for call point, but I think their pattern is very similar. Okay, the pattern is very similar. So again, down. Pullback with low volume. I'm not sure whether they hit S2 or not, but if let's say I can hit with a hammer, then it would be good. Okay, to continue to watch out. Okay, So now if you understand this, type A for me. Okay, if you understand the pullback pattern, type A for me. Okay, now let's go for stocks that you have for me lah. So I know today everyone want to check stock lah, not on the tutorial part lah. All right, but like I said, it's a good so-called market. Okay, to watch out for this kind of pullback market. Okay, so later on we can look for more. Okay, drop lower. Tak cantik lah. This is to Joel. Okay, now few things I would like to comment for JHM lah. Now I know JHM it do have high volume at the bottom. Looks like doing a reversal. Okay, it looks like trying to do a reversal. They're not trying lah, they are doing reversal. Okay, but just that usually this kind of stuff. Now the reason why I don't really cover JHM, if you realize right, I don't really talk about JHM in Telegram lah, in my live Facebook lah, because the gap is always a bit tricky. Not to say they cannot break. Not to say they cannot break. It kind of like MTAG. Okay, it takes a damn long time to break. Okay, like MTAG, since I exit until now almost 6 months, now only they break. Okay, so it's something like that. Okay, so for example over here, if you notice here got gaps, right? I thought here gonna close already, chanted already, but the next day it rejected and it dropped back. Okay, so which means the seller is still very strong. Okay, the seller is still very strong. Now yesterday gap down. I'm not sure is it because of any news. Okay, Joel, probably you can provide us some information. I'm not sure because of any news or not. If there's no news, I think the seller is still strong. In this case. So, well, I guess this one you're going to wait. Okay, you normally, if let's say you got gaps one, right, gap up or gap down, you're going to wait for a while. Okay, you're going to wait for a while. Now, overall setup, I think they are still in the so-called support level, but I believe your entry to support is very far away. Okay, so again, if your entry somewhere, I forgot your entry already, I think you told me, right? If you enter somewhere around here, your main support is somewhere around here, So here is around like, I don't know, 10 over 20%. Okay, 10 over 20%. Okay, so if let's say you think you can bear trade, I leave up to you. Normally my risk tolerance is 8% per trades. Okay, so that's why RGT I will exit one. Okay, RGT I think my entry until my just now exit is slightly over 8%. Okay, so I just covered, that's it. Okay, so well, like I say, anything that you do, make sure you get your own trading plan. Okay, you know your risk first are very important. If let's say this thing doesn't work out, okay, then what's the next thing you should do? Okay, so there's JHM. Any other stocks? Kobe SMRT. Kobe SMRT. Okay, Kobe, I think pullback completed today. Okay, now this is another hammer from yesterday, right? Okay, but today whether it will close, run for life. True also lah, true also. Okay, good market to keep cash. Okay, good market to keep cash. Okay, now again, Kobe illustrates something that I talk about. That's why I decided I still like Kobe, but I'm not going to look for entry today. Keep some cash first. I feel that now market is good to keep some cash. Okay, so now the reason why I still monitor Kobe, sorry, I think my light today is very sharp. Just close this one out. Okay, now a few things that I kind of like about Kobe, right? So here, again, the first point, right? Up bar with high volume. Okay, then subsequent happen down bar with spread bar with low volume. Okay, and above 20 MA or above support level. Next thing, hammer. Okay, next thing, hammer. So this is some things that normally I will still monitor. Okay, if my stock is forming this kind of patterns. Okay, so one of them actually is Kobe. Okay, want to enter or not, I'm not sure. Again, I'll leave up to you. If you think that your current entry is around 225 to your exit point around 195, okay, this is the risk that you can take it. You go for it. But for me, I cannot. Okay, so probably I'm just gonna wait for a few more days to ensure, hopefully today it didn't become like a shooting star candles. Then I will slowly look for the entry opportunity. Okay, so let's look at the SMRT. Any stocks that you want me to look into? Okay, just type below. If not, I just go to my stock idea. But I don't think today's stock idea got any good one. Besides Kobe, I just check. Only Kobe is quite nice only. Okay, SMRT looks still okay. Today it dropped, but it's very low volume. Okay, now this one reversal also. But you can say it's a shakeout too. I think it's more like a reversal with shakeout also. So here we go, shakeout. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, so this is like a shakeout here. Okay, so tested. Okay, let's say they are still above 90. I think it's still good. Okay, today it didn't really show weakness. It didn't really show weakness today. But again, one thing is that your risk to reward is not ideal. Okay, so again, if I zoom in, okay, this is your current support, or maybe you can use the S2. Okay, so if let's say from S1 your risk to reward is only 0.3, your reward is only 0.3. Okay, so it's not a very good so-called risk to reward, because sometimes it goes up, may pull back to here, right? You exit already, the jalan balik. So to R2 is 1.2. Okay, so again, you probably want to decide whether you want to enter resistance or not. Okay, now let's go into capital A. Okay, probably we look into capital A and MSM. We look into okay, BS Tech as well. Okay, we look into 3 more. Then we will close our section here for today. Okay, not sure also because today also like a weak market, right? I feel like my eyes very dry also. No mood no mood to watch market lah. Okay, capital A, okay, yeah, profit reducing, like I said, is normal. Okay, it's normal. But Rostan, you have to decide because I feel that you said you're looking for long term, but you're looking into this on daily basis. Okay, but like I said, it's good to always lock some profit whenever it close to this resistance zone. Okay, maybe you will try again, then it's good you want to lock some. But well, today also need to monitor. Okay, let's say today closing at the lower volume. I think this one still worth to monitor, or maybe if you are holding right now, I think yeah, it haven't really break below my S1 yet. Okay, it haven't really break below my S1 yet. So what I think is at the moment I don't see any so-called weakness. Okay, in the chart resistance right now. Okay, let's go into MSM and then VS Tech. Okay, so for those that who are here, appreciate you can help me to click the like buttons, help me to share this out. Okay, so now my MSM view will remain the same. They are in the downtrend already. Okay, they are in the downtrend. So if you are again, Rosan, if you are looking for long term, you should aim for next support. Okay, so let's go to weekly. If you are daily chart, you are doing short term one, right? Actually, you should exit already. You should exit because they are forming a pullback in downtrend. So somewhere around here. Oh yeah, exit over here the current support the current support. This is like a previous a temporary resistance forming before weeks, now forming this support. Okay, so daily long term time frame. Okay, this is the area that you hope it will hold and subsequently it form a strength signal. Okay, if you are doing short terms daily chart, doing the inverse pullback, you should exit already. Okay, okay, last one, VS Tech. Okay, let's go back to daily. Oh, okay, this one's still nice for me. Okay, this one's still nice. I think Adaran and Hexstar Retail also quite nice. Okay, probably 2 more before end our section. Like I said today, my eyes I don't know why very dry Okay, cannot stand the screen for too much. Okay. Oh, MSM 171. Oh, okay. Then okay lah. Again, I'm not sure your objective Of course, profit reducing is expected. Okay, because like I said, MSM have been go up for a lot already. Okay, so expect them to do a deep pullback. Okay, unless you say that double A Okay, you lock some profit if you enter a lot. Okay, now for me, MSM still doing a good pullbacks. Okay, gap up. Okay, gap up, but the price here got high volume. I thought here will be going deeper already, but they close up. Okay, so if let's say they're still sideways around 35 cents above 20 MA, I think still worth to monitor it. Okay, for VS Tech. Okay, now probably 2 more. I think this one is yesterday I spot is a good pullback but I'm not sure what happened this morning. Okay, let's go into this. Darren probably is the next counter that I will focus. Next bull market first. Next bull market first. Okay, because here we do have what we have gap, shakeout, 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 and then now this one is like they want to push already, but market weak, they drop with low volume. Okay, so that's Edaran. Last one is Hexstar Retail. Hexstar Retail. I think BUSD this is oh, yesterday closing tak cantik. This is BUSD what counters already? Something start with C one, right? Okay, never mind, I forgot. Okay, so now yesterday when I still watching Hexstar Retail, they are still above gaps but closing below. Okay, but one thing, even though they closed below yesterday, right, volume low. Okay, so my plan, okay, for this, since they closed the gaps already, I will watch out if let's say they can cross back to this gap or not. Okay, cross back to this gap, which means the buyer stay in control. Okay, probably because market weak yesterday. Okay, so they don't want to support the current price. Okay, so sometimes they will wait until the weak market end already, then they start to buy back, push up. Okay, so watch out this zone. Now seems like they are trying to push back. Okay, but again, we're not sure. Now it's only the first trading hour. We need to see the closing for confirmation. Okay, last one, Powerwell. Obviously my HE group got a shooting star high volume. Okay, resistance is wrong. Again, Ruko, not sure you're looking for entry exit. If you enter somewhere around here, I hope you can lock some profit already. So far, I think no weakness. Okay, so far no weakness. So you can actually use S2, okay, as your main support. Okay, as your main support. All right. Okay, so now with this, I think I will end our section here today. Today, I think better watch out. Better watch out. If I got spot any stocks that are holding well around 20 MA area, forming hammer with pullbacks, I'll definitely give an updates to everyone. So again, Telegram. All right. So with this, thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow in the same live Facebook sections.